Hello students, we are doing lesson number 3.2 and the name of the lesson is Seven Sisters. We have already seen the importance of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, then Meghalaya, Manipur. Today we'll today we'll see a new state that is the name of the state is Mizoram. So in your textbook, page number 54. Hello, I am Mizoram. So I am a state of Mizoram. Mizoram implies land of the hill people. So what Mizoram implies? A land of hill people. So you can imagine there are many hills in Mizoram. Referred to as a cookies. I invite you to see my land of lush hills, Shenshare cliffs, serene lakes, and waterfalls. So, if you are visiting Mizoram, don't forget to see these beautiful places. Rolling hills stretch across hundreds of miles, and the plains and valleys are covered with lush forests and thick bamboo groves, green paddy fields. Paddy means rice fields, vineyards. What is grown over here? Grapes. And from grapes, what they make? They make wine. Teeming with diverse wildlife. There was different wildlife. My regret is that not many of you come to visit me, but what this state is saying, many people don't come to visit the state of Mizoram. Well, traveling in Mizoram is little difficult, but it has its own reward. Although it is very difficult to travel in Mizoram. Why? Because this state is full of hills. The natural beauty here is exhausting and must be seen to be believed. So the b- the beauty is so beautiful in Mizoram that you will not believe that this state is so beautiful. Now, what do you mean by sheer cliff? Sheer cliff means what? Very steep, very steep. It's like a slope. Serene. Serene means very calm. The lakes are very calm and beautiful. Then teeming with. Teeming with means what? Full of diverse wildlife. It's this state of Mizoram has got many different kinds of wild animals. Now, my capital is Azual, and from its scenic location, you can get a captivating view of lush emerald Taiwan River Valley in the west and the Turil River Valley in the east. So, if you come to the state of Mizoram, you will be able to see all these beautiful things. The museum in the heart of the city. So at the center of the city, what is there? The museum is there. Zakwat portrays the culture of Mizoram with a splendid collection of costumes, artifacts, and historical relics. Now here, captivating. What do you mean by captivating? Very attractive. Portrays. Portrays means what? Shows. What do you mean by artifacts? Artifacts means what? Objects made by a person that are of historical or cultural interest. That's called artifacts. And historical relics. Relics means what? Object from the past. So if you visit this museum, you'll be able to see this museum has got collection of costumes. Then something like some like artifacts are there is object made by person, and relics means what? Materials from the past. Now, the Palak Lake is the biggest in Mizoram and covers 30 hectares, that is 74 acres of this lake is covered, that is Palak Lake. Do you know that it is believed that the lake was created as a result of earthquake? So it has been said that this lake, the Palak Lake, is been created because of the earthquake or the flood which had taken place. Now, Chamfe with its fertile vineyard is known as the fruit bowl of Mizoram. So here there are fruits have been grown over here. I am also host to numerous species of birds, wildlife and flora. So if you go visit this place, you will able to see different kinds of birds, different wildlife, different flora. You can visit the two national park and six wildlife sanctuaries here. So there are two national parks are there, and here you have got six wildlife sanctuaries where animals have been preserved and kept. Mizo is the official language and the most widely used language. So which is the official language of Mizoram is Mizo, and many people speak in the Mizo language. Now the next state is Nagaland. Hello, I am Nagaland, one of the smallest state of India, called the Switzerland of the East. So I am the smallest state, and it has been called as Switzerland of the East. Here we have a land of folklore passed down through generations. Generation means here our ancestors or our forefathers has passed from one generation to another different kinds of music and integral part of our life. The exquisite picturesque landscape, the vibrantly colorful sunrise and sunset, lush and verdant flora make my land unimaginable beautiful. So this land, Nagaland, is so beautiful that you can't imagine that this land is so beautiful. The state capital is Kohima. So what is capital of Nagaland? Kohima. The state is mostly mountainous. Mount Saramati is the highest peak with a height of about 3,840 meters. So, which is the highest Mount Saramati is the highest peak, and its height is 3,840 meters, and it range forms a natural barrier between Nagaland and Burma. So it comes, this state of Nagaland comes between barrier between Nagaland and Burma. So what comes between Nagaland and Burma? This Mount Saramati peak, okay, which is between Nagaland and Burma. There are over 16 tribes and sub-tribes. I've told you what we mean by tribe. People who are staying in the interior of the forest that inhabit many exotic hill states, each with its own unique, colorful, and intricately designed costumes, jewelry, and beads that adorn them. That adorn them means what? That you keep on admiring them. Today, many of my young people have ventured into fashion designing. So people of Nagaland are into fashion designing. See here, you can see this person, how attractive clothes or beautiful clothes he is wearing, creating fabrics that blend our traditional motifs with modern appeal. So much so I have become a paradise for those who are into fashion designing. So those people of Nagaland who are into fashion design, they take help of my costume because they are very attractive. People refer to me as an affluent fashion station of the East. So one of the most famous or one of the well-known fashion station of East. Now, student, let us see some meanings of difficult words here. Integral. Integral means what? Essential or important. Picturesque. Picturesque means a beautiful, something which is very beautiful. Vibrantly. Vibrantly means what? Full of life and energy. Vedant. Vedant means what? Fresh and green. So something which is very fresh and green. So here the forest is very fresh and green. Then barrier. Barrier means what? An object that prevents people from moving one place to another. That's the meaning of burial. Then inhabit. Inhabit means what? To live in a particular place. Intricately means without lot of detail work. Okay, so lot of detail work is there. Then motifs. What do you mean by motif? A kind of design. Then affluent here means what? Rich. Rich fashion is there over here. Now, my land is an ideal place for trekking. You know what you mean by trekking? Climbing the mountains, rock climbing, jungle camping. You can go and stay in the forest and offers limitless exploration possibilities in its lush and Vedant subtropical rainforest. Here we have an abundance. Abundance means what? Plenty of. Plenty of medicinal herbs too. So there are plenty of medicinal herbs too. I am known as a falcon capital of the world. Now falcon is what? Falcon is a bird with long pointed wings. So falcon, capital of the world. The great Indian hornbill, you have seen a hornbill, is one of the most famous birds found here. So, which is a famous bird found in Nagaland is hornbill. Nagas by nature are lovers of fun and frolic. Okay, so fun and frolic means what? Enjoyment. And here, life is one long festival. Dance and songs are part and parcel of our festivities. So, dance and song is part of their festival. Most of our dance are performed with a robustic rhythm. Now, robustic means what? A lively rhythm, a live music. If you love a colorful life and appreciate ethnic customs and tradition with a unique song, their songs are different, their dance is different, and festival, you must come to our Naga Heritage Village. So if you visit Nagaland, visit this place, Naga Heritage Village. We will be able to see all different kinds of songs, dance which showcase our cultural heritage. Do come and participate in a great Hornbill festival. So, this festival is there. And what's the name of the festival? Great Hornbill Festival. So, student, hope so you have understood over here. Next time, we will continue with next state, that is Tripura. Thank you, students.